Excuse me, I look so dry. I've been waiting on my mama all day, so she about to pull up. Hey, Mom.
Hey, Shaye.
Welcome to New York, baby.
Girl, what a day, what a day.
I know. Hey, girl, give me a hug. Let me take this out.
Hey, bud.
How you feeling?
I'm tired.
You tired?
Uh-huh. I done had an exhausting day. I ain't never knew it took fucking 13 hours to get to New York.
This side, this door.
I put this on. I gotta put this
No.
on.
No.
Girl, you should have bought me a drink. Brought the damn camera.
And he finna be mad at me because I went to sleep and forgot to order the drink. That's why I'm trying to take you out. Surprise.
I know you lying.
Girl, no, I went straight to sleep. Been asleep for hours.
Oh, Shaye, come on.
I know. I'm so glad you made it. Y'all, look at my mama. Let them see the fit. Day one. This the fit. Yeah. Yeah, hoes. She ready. She ready. We out here in New York. I didn't think she was going to come with me, y'all. But she needed a drink. And we're going to the perfect little spot called Cave Lounge. And we're going to just vibe out, hookah, music, drink. And then, yeah. Y'all, we done ended up at a whole nother place. It's a whole nother race. We had a whole nother race place just to get a drink. Look at my God. Mom, you didn't even tell me my hair. Just to get hookah and drinks. Okay.
This is something.
So we did go out. Period. We had a good time wherever we was. It was, what kind of people was that, Mom? What do you say? What type of people? I forgot. Okay, but anyway, it was not our culture, but y'all, we had a good time. We had a good motherfucking time. So now we back in the hotel. Let's take up our makeup and lay down. So we'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace. Okay, hey y'all. So this is day 2. Mom in the background. Hey, Mom.
Hey.
So we're getting ready to go to Times Square. We're gonna do the Statue of Liberty, the Brooklyn Bridge, get some food, get some drinks. Y'all know the vibes. So this is the makeup today. Mom, come show your makeup too. That's the makeup today, period. Looks so cute. Just really like, this is the fit. So yeah.
Just want the whole experience.
Hey, Mom. Come closer, girl, so they can see you. Hey, girl, with your glasses on. Period, poo. Let's see your fit for the day. Hold on, let's start here.
Nah.
Period. Messy bun, looking cute. Okay, girl, we see you. We see you. Okay, so y'all, we about to walk to the train, and we're gonna take the train so my mama could get the full experience. But y'all know, if y'all know, I got cash. But you can pay with your phone. But okay, y'all, later. So y'all, my mom really wanted to get on the train, so here we were. So we stopped for some refreshers because it is so damn hot out here in New York. It's 90. And I committed to the look, so the jacket cannot come off. But yeah. We charge like $10-15.
Really?
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all.
We're just chilling at the hotel. Mom, you look cute. It's the aesthetics of the outfit. So we got some Patron. Show them the hookah to them. Oh, bless the bottle. You wanna take a shot first?
Why we gotta take a shot?
You want to? Okay. Pull man's in. Well, no, pull man's in here. Okay, so y'all, we just chilling. Look at my hair, but I'm gonna be fine as hell later.
Take it slow.
Take it slow. Take it slow. Push.
Real king always be no.
Push.
If I be better,
Push.
You gonna text me?
No, I ain't gone yet. Relax.
The Manhattan Bridge is a steel constructed bridge completed in 1909 as the West Bridge from Bay to Sea, and here, the New York City subway. Keep looking to the right and past the boat, and in a moment you will see a building with an golden statue on top. That statue is called Civic Bay, and is taken. His name is Mohammed. These technical construction of the bridge, he too had an accident on the bridge and became paralyzed. So his wife had to complete the project. Her name was
Okay. We on the boat. You feeling better?
Yeah, I'm feeling a lot better.
Okay, good. So we on the boat, and they kind of like give you a tour. And we found this on Groupon too, for like $26.
That is the River Cafe. The River Cafe.
Y'all, I got a hangover. I'm not even gonna
Wonderful
hold y'all.
great views of the New York City skyline. You'll also see a building with a tower.
So here's some pictures of us on the boat, which we enjoyed ourselves for the most part, and we went home. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram for more. Mwah.